Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Reviews, your review guru, and today we've got something come to us from Payton Pro. I'll put an Amazon link below, and you can check out this product that's going to help your posture. So let's kick it off right about now. So it's easy to put on. In fact, it's as easy to put on as a backpack. It's got a quality nylon straps, and it's really just a good quality product. Comes with a satisfaction guarantee, as well as a manual and guide that's a free download as well. So you can see here it is, and I'll see if I can put some information on screen as well. It says very strong connectors, 2 pads for underarm comfort, 2 ways to adjust for the perfect fit. It's as easy as a backpack to put on. It comes with a carrying bag and your money back guarantee. It's really pretty straightforward. You can contact them at office@paytonpro.com or just www.paytonpro.com. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Comes with a digital guidebook. You just throw it on over your shoulders, adjust for a little support here. And a nice thing about it is you can wear it under your clothes. You can wear it to the gym. Like this is my gym gear from when I went to Saginaw Valley State University for a basketball camp actually in 1994 I got this jersey, so it's definitely held up pretty well, or I've held up pretty well considering my age. But yeah, it's great. You can throw it on under a jacket. It'll give you that gentle nudge towards good posture. So let's imagine you're kind of hunched over, sitting at the coffee table, whatever. Well, this, I mean, you can still have some flexibility with it, but it just gives you kind of a that you need to remember to sit up straight. Doesn't force you. You still get some range of motion. Now, I've noticed that when I wear it around the house, if I go to tie my shoes or stuff, it forces me to lean forward in a better manner than just kind of, you know? So it is an effective way to help you sit up straight. You know Leanne from the channel. She has a desk job during the day. She's sitting at a computer all day. And she volunteered she's going to check it out next. Because, you know, right here in her neck and her back really start hurting because, you know, bad posture over the course of an 8-10 hour day at the desk. We all have that sharp pain that you get from it. So we're hoping that this will have the same effect on her as it's had on me. So I'll go ahead and put an Amazon link in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. Let's get a thumbnail here, thumbnail. And if you have any questions, leave them below. Make sure you click like and subscribe. If you are interested in having us do a review for you, email me at allstarboxoffice@gmail.com. If you're already a subscriber, click the notification bell to get all our updates. We would appreciate that. Again, if you have any questions, I'm Adam. Ask them below. Leave your comments, questions, etc., etc. Thanks for watching, and I'm out of here. Adios, amigos.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.